One of the hardest parts about creating content on YouTube by yourself is trying to remember everything that you want to say in your video. Then you make mistake after mistake and wind up spending way too long editing all the mistakes out. The way around this is to use a teleprompter, and in this video I will break down the best teleprompter for the money, the Glidegear TMP 100 adjustable teleprompter. I will also explain what I think is the best teleprompter app to use with this teleprompter. Make sure to stick around until the end, as I will be giving you some tips on how to read from the teleprompter without making it look like you're reading. Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today we're talking teleprompters, and in particular, the Glidegear TMP 100 adjustable teleprompter. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews like today's. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. The Glidegear TMP 100 adjustable teleprompter sells for around $200 here in Canada on Amazon at the time of this recording. I use this thing all of the time when making my YouTube videos, and it has saved me a ton of time when filming myself talking to the camera. The teleprompter comes in a very nice carrying case that is super padded to protect the glass portion. It can be attached to basically any tripod through the various sized threaded holes on the bottom of the unit. The back of the teleprompter has a black cloth-like material that cinches around the lens of your camera while still allowing you to access the back of your camera to review footage or to use the buttons and controls of the camera. The adjustable mount on the front of the teleprompter allows you to use a smartphone or tablet up to 10.5 by 9.5 inches. I originally started using an old Samsung tablet that I had hanging around, but recently switched to my smartphone. I will explain more on that in a minute. The teleprompter is fully collapsible for easy transport or for storing away. The next thing I want to talk about is the app to use with this teleprompter, and the app that I've been using since day one is called Promptsmart Pro. The app is available for iOS and Android, and at the time of recording this, it is a subscription-based app on Android that costs around $3 a month, and for Apple is a one-time fee of $19.99. The thing that sets this app apart from other teleprompter apps is called Voice Track, and what this does is follows your voice as you read the script. Normally when using a teleprompter app, you need to pick a speed and the text will scroll at that speed. The only problem with this is if it's going too fast, you will fall behind, and if it's going too slow, there will be pauses in between while you wait for it to catch up. Voice Track eliminates all these issues by simply following your voice as you read. If you read faster, it will keep up with you, and if you slow down, it will slow down with you as well, so you can read at a natural pace. The app allows you to upload scripts from Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, and others, or you can simply import the script directly into the app. Another cool thing about this app is that it allows you to use note cards, so if you aren't the type of person that wants the whole script written out to read, you can jot down the main points and just use them as needed. The one thing I will mention is that I've always been fairly close to the camera when recording, and I've had hardly any issues whatsoever with the app. However, if you are going to be further away, you may need to plug a microphone into the tablet or smartphone so the app can hear you. If you happen to have a second device, you can also use it as a remote control for this app. So if you're using a tablet to read the script off of, you can use your phone as a remote control to scroll the text up or down, or to help find your spot again if you happen to get lost. I am going to provide some tips on how to make it look like you aren't reading in a second, but first I'd like to ask a quick question, and today's question is, do you script all your videos? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear whether you guys script out your videos or do you just go with the flow. The first tip I will provide is to use emotion and hand gestures while speaking. It's very easy to just read in a monotone voice, but that will come across in the videos. Instead, get a little animated, use your hands while speaking, and make sure you change the tone of your voice when reading so that everything isn't monotone. Tip number 2 is to decrease the margins or use a smartphone in portrait mode on the app. I mentioned earlier that when I started, I was using an old tablet in landscape mode, but I found using my phone in portrait mode allowed me to keep the text more narrow, and therefore it wasn't as noticeable reading from as far left to right. The third and last tip I'll provide is to practice reading with the teleprompter. Just like anything else in life, the more you practice, the more natural it will come, and the easier it will be to seem natural in front of the camera. If you are thinking about buying a teleprompter to make your life easier when recording your videos, then this is the teleprompter for you. The Glidegear TMP 100 is small, easily portable, and really well built with an all-metal construction and high-quality glass. This thing has literally saved me hours of time when recording these videos. I will provide a link to purchase the teleprompter in the description below. It is an affiliate link, and as an Amazon associate, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This really does help to keep the channel going and is greatly appreciated, so thank you to anyone purchasing it through that link. If you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really does help the YouTube algorithm to push my videos to a larger audience. Thanks for watching today's video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.